Well, new this morning, the fight over voting rights for thousands of people in Tennessee is heating up. The Attorney General has moved to shut down a voting rights lawsuit from the NAACP.
Tony Sloan's live in Cool Springs with more on why this is happening. And Tony, obviously this will impact a lot of people.
Yeah, you're absolutely right, Ben. I mean, tens of thousands of people have their voting privileges on the line, and this friction between the NAACP and the Attorney General could determine which way this goes. So here's what happened. In December of 2020, the Tennessee Conference of the NAACP and some people who were denied the right to vote, they alleged that Tennessee officials failed to follow state law that allows people to legally restore their voting rights after serving their sentences and completing parole. They even argued the state added more requirements that made it harder to restore those rights. Now, it was thought that that lawsuit would be settled over the summer of this year, but that was not the case. Attorneys, they broke off talks in July, and now the Attorney General filed motions asking the judge to reject the claims entirely. According to the Sentencing Project, 1 in 5 black voting age person in Tennessee lacks the right to vote due to a past criminal conviction, which is likely the highest rate of African American disenfranchisement in the nation. Overall, nearly 10% of the Tennessee electorate, which is about 470,000 people, have lost their right to vote due to convictions. Since 2016, almost 3,500 people have been granted restoration in the state. State filings say that Tennessee has a process in place to fight voter fraud and safeguarding voter confidence, but we'll see what happens with the Supreme Court. The NAACP was hoping that this would be settled in time for the presidential election.